In Python, a function is a self-contained block of code designed to perform a particular action. It encapsulates a set of instructions under a single name, allowing that block to be executed whenever needed by calling the function. Functions promote modularity by dividing a program into smaller, manageable sections, each responsible for a distinct operation. This improves code organization, readability, and maintainability. Additionally, functions enable reusability, as the same code can be invoked multiple times without duplication, reducing redundancy and enhancing efficiency. In Python, functions begin with def when you want to declare a function. Define a function called sum which takes two parameters nbr1 and nbr2 and then we will return the values of nbr1 plus nbr2. The function returns the sum of the two numbers passed as parameters. We will declare a variable var is equal sum 5 10. Call the sum function with the arguments 5 and 10 and store the result 15. In the variable var, printf string sum is var displays the result as the formatted string sum is 15. Now, we will create another function. It will extract a name from a list. So we define check name, which takes the parameters list. If ideal in list, check if the ideal string is present in the list. If yes, display yes. Yes, no, please no. So, we're going to present our list. We're going to call it test is equal in brackets. Two quotation marks Adele, comma, cabbage, comma, Lily. This is a test list containing 3 elements. Check name test. Call the check name function with the test list as arguments like Adele. We execute, and in the list, the function will display yes. Let's test the second part of the code. We'll type a name that doesn't exist. For example, Susie. We execute it, and it displays no. On tape, Lily, and it displays yes.